Hi to everyone and welcome. If you're looking at a platform to build a website for your own purposes, for business, for blog, or some else purposes that you have, definitely you need this video because we collected the whole information about this platform, and today in this video I want to show you step-by-step tutorial about how to make your own website fast, easy, and without an extra efforts. This is very powerful platform, and if you want to get access to this platform with a big discount from our team, especially for our friends and subscribers, check the link in the description panel of this video. And in this video you'll find out how to edit site, how to move things, how to add things to your layout. Well, let's jump in, not to waste time, let's jump in straight to dashboard of this fantastic and very powerful platform. When you're gonna be on the platform, you just need to press the create a new site. After, the platform itself will ask you what is the purpose of your page, your designer, or maybe fitness or photography or blog or other. So you will find anything that you want in any type of business, any type of things that you can imagine, you can build on Wix, for sure. You can let Wix ADI create a website for you, just answering a few simple questions and automatically get a website that designed and pre-built for you, or you can choose a template. And we're gonna press this button and just you hovering between the tons of fantastic and pre-made and already done like beautiful templates that are available absolutely for free, and that's very cool. That's just pure fantastic that you can build something like from scratch, and let's just edit this one site, for example, random one, because I want to show you in this video like 1, 2, 3 the steps to how to build your site. As it's pretty similar to other landing page builders or website builders, but if you newbie, if you just first time, you think of the first time for to build your own web page, this video will be useful because I want to show you the core knowledges, the core things that you will use on this web page to build your own. Alrighty, important things, settings. You will not go live with your page without all this stuff like connect a domain. You need to buy one elsewhere, or directly straight from the platform you can buy a domain and hosting, marketing integration, social, share business info. You need to check all the settings, but after you will build your page. Here's the mobile version, and that's very important nowadays because tons of traffic flows from mobile devices and from tablets and smartphones, and you definitely need to check how your web page looks on all those mobile version. But we go into desktop, and actually all you need to use is menus and pages, background, add, this is the most important button, theme manager, and add apps and media. I'll start with a theme manager because this is very cool feature that can help you customize your web page just in seconds, just literally in seconds. You see there's a palette that pre-made already for all colors, and you can change things like pretty instantly. Okay, like this one, let's use this one. Menus and pages. When you're pressing it, you see that there's tons of sub pages, the pages that lay under the home page. So the home page is one page, and other you see about, services, work, and contact. This all separate pages, but I prefer to build a website on one layout, just on one page, because it's similar to landing pages, for example, when you don't have to browse all the site like about, services. You just have call to actions, like book now, get a free estimate, join us now, or check something. Yeah, you bring in some value. If we're talking about internet marketing, like couple words, you bring in some value, and your visitors giving your their contact information like email or phone, and I will show you how to manage this with the buttons and how to link the specific things to make that happen. And you need to call them. You need to get their information. You need to make call to actions on all of your site. The best way is when it's 2 or 3 or 4 buttons. And first of all, also, if we're talking about the design, do not use more than 3 colors and do not use more than 3 fonts in the whole page. It will help you with building your own page. So a little bit about this home page stuff. When you press on this 3 dots button, you have the settings, SEO, social share, rename, copy, duplicate, hide or delete. You need to check the settings. There's page info, it's pretty clear. Layouts, standard one with a header, this black line that contains all the menu, this header, and a footer down there on the bottom. Or you can use no header and footer layout when, for example, you have a big video or you have a beautiful picture for the whole screen and you want it to be like clear without any parts, any elements, without all those lines and borders on the top, on the bottom. But in general, the standard way is the best way, because this menu is how your visitor navigate your site. Okay. Permissions, you can build the open site, you can build a site for only for password holders or for members only, and you can apply this members only, for example, for like kitchens or bathrooms in this case, or if you have some exclusive content for those people who apply to your membership, for example, you can build even that. Here, okay. What can you do? Also, you can delete all the pages that you don't need, for example, like with one couple clicks, and that's pretty cool. But let's find out how to edit things straight away. We have a background. There's menus and pages, background. Now it's a color here, you see, and if I'm gonna change color, you will see that color is changing like in many places. But you can add an image here, and if you don't have your own media to upload, then you can use media from Wix, Shutterstock or Unsplash. Tons of beautiful and professional and high quality pictures available for you. For example, house. Let's find some modern house. I don't know. Let it be. Okay, this modern house is, let's use this one. And you see it's out there. It's laying out there. Yeah, you're scrolling and all your text, all the things laying under, laying on this background. Yeah, that's also pretty interesting. But for example, the picture is too clear. Yeah, going to background, going to settings, and we're changing the opacity. For example, we're changing the color that lays under the picture. Let it be like this. And we have a great result. I'll show it. You see, everything is pretty understandable, pretty clear, except the color of the text, but you can change it instantly for sure. How to manage all the things with the text? Just double click on it. All right, there's a header. Yeah, the header style, columns and strips. The header style, you can make it smaller. You can make it smaller. Alrighty, the header. change strip background, the header design. Yeah, you can make it with a color, you can make it transparent, you can make it half transparent, and so on and so on. Let it be black as it was. Settings. You can scroll it with the side, you can freeze it, you can fade out, and you can disappear. Yeah, like in the preview, you see your header is always on the screen, is always available. That's very interesting. Bad header. The text. Interesting thing, an interesting point, that when you grab in the text, you can move it all around the screen, because that's fantastic, because a lot of platforms not allows you to do that. They just keeping your media, keeping your things like text and images on the spots. Yeah, on the spot, it holds, and that's it. Here you can get totally customized web page. Double click on the text, and you can change the heading style, you can change the size, you can change everything that you can make with a text. Yeah, tons of fonts. You can upload fonts if you didn't found the beautiful one, for example, and that's it. The same thing, the color of the text, you can change the color of the text as you want, or red, or just as you want. Okay, the button. How to add things. You can add things instantly from here. You can add strip text. Strip is actually this big container that contains all the things, and there are pre-made things like contact, welcome, service, team, testimonials, and classic. So the classic is just black, white, and video, even the video. That's pretty cool. And you have tons of video and images straight on the platform, so you can use them if you don't have your own. For example, you have the Yoga Studio, for example, and there are templates pre-made. You're just choosing the template, changing the photos to your own, changing the text a little bit, making all these buttons active. You link in them, and you just can choose something and click on it, or you can drag and drop it straight away. Just that's very cool. I'm gonna delete this. I showed you how to manage things. I showed you how to add the strip, text, image, button, gallery, like grid galleries, slider galleries, more galleries, and that's pretty fantastic. You even can add the Instagram feed, your Instagram feed, to your web page. That's very cool. Decorative things, interactive things, boxes, lists and grids, video and music. For example, video from YouTube straight away right here. Yeah, there's center lines. You can make it small, you can make it big. Any changes that you want, you can change video, or you can press settings. All the settings with a gear, with this small gear button, layouts, design, and everything, and animation. Even animation, I will show you, is the same as for any other element. You can use these animations, and they will like bounce, glide in, turn in, fold in, or some else actions that you like. Be careful with that, actually, because probably you need the modern type and modern style of web page, and all those animations can be a little bit annoying. The button. I told you already that you need to get the contact information from your potential client, from the visitor of your site. So you need to press this link, this chain button. and you see the page anchor, document, and email. I prefer to use email or phone number for mobile version of your site. In that case, your visitor can call you straight away, okay, from your site. That's pretty cool. Email, you just type in your email, and you're gonna get notification from your Gmail mailbox when you're gonna have the email from your new customer. Or you can integrate MailChimp here or other external email marketing platform and provider that will help you to grow your email list and to grow your incomes from your business if you're selling something or some goods or some services. So that's pretty it, guys. That's pretty it. You just can make anything that you want. There's the strips. Okay, you see the strip, you see the columns, you can manage the columns. For example, you can switch them to that shape or switch them back, or you can duplicate that things and you have now 3 columns, or you can delete 1 column. Okay, the same thing, manage column, change column background. You change in the background, you can make it the same way as I showed you. All the settings are pretty the same. If you change in the background, you can change it for color, image, or video. And actually everything here is built with text, pictures, and videos, and call to actions and interactive elements like buttons, like forms to fulfill, and so on. And you have tons of interesting pictures that you can use, and you can use these pictures and they are for free, or if you have your own content, you can upload it straight to the platform. And that's pretty it, guys. How to edit the text, how to add things, and there's tons of things that you can add to your web page. Tons, and you can spend like centuries scrolling this and discovering all the things that you can add to the social media stuff. And that's too cool to be true, but that's true. It's true, and you can use this platform to build everything that you want. Literally, it's like a Photoshop. Okay, it's layout, it's layers, and you just grabbing all together, and that's it. It's working. You pass in these all settings, things, and the apps. Of course, this is pretty fantastic tools because you can integrate it with MailChimp. I told you already. Bannersnag, you can get Google Ads here on your website if you have tons of visitors, and you will get paid with the Google Ads, so on and so on. Like, there's tons of applications that can be handy for your own website for the purposes that you have. Okay, and you can build literally everything. I just showed you core knowledges, core things of how to move things, how to add things, and there are tons of pre-made elements that you can add to your web page, to your landing page or big website, and just go live with that. And it will take under 1 hour for sure if you have some content and if you have a text to type in, and or nobody except you can describes your business better than you. That's a rule. I don't know, that's a truth. And that's why you need to try to do it yourself. You can spend tons of money for professionals who will like make a website for you, or you can spend 1 hour and build this site by your hands, and you will know that everything is working. You know that everything is beautiful and it absolutely great for you. Okay, guys, I hope this all makes sense. I hope this information was useful, and I just showed you the core knowledges, and you just need to apply those knowledges to your own web page. So before I'll say goodbye. I want to remind you that we left the link in the description panel of this video. Our team left the link, so you can easily find that link and get access to Wix platform with a big discount for our subscribers from all our team that are working on this project. Thank you so much. Take care. I want you to be happy with your new best website. Thanks and bye-bye. See you in the next video.